Welcome to another episode of Hashtag Not All Women, where we talk about why all the women are so different from each other, even though we have to essentially go through the same life, same set of rules, same situations in life, yet our reactions are different and we are not like other girls, yet we are. We talk about all this through the lens of literature. So I want to bring two books to your focus today, which are very different yet very similar. Even their covers are so similar. Look at this. Erotic Stories for Punjabi Widows by Balli Jaswal and Dopehri by Pankaj Kapoor. See, the covers are so similar. I don't know why, but they are. Dopehri is a story of an elderly widow, Ambabi, who lives in Lucknow in a huge haveli alone after the death of her husband, and her children are settled abroad. She has to deal with so many things, and how she overcomes is the story. Erotic Stories for Punjabi Widows is about a group of women who go to the same Gurudwara, and they do have each other as a company, yet they deal with loneliness. Both the books deal with themes of loneliness and how widows essentially change after their married life comes to an end. This is not about our generation, but our mothers and our grandmothers, and how their life comes to a halt after their husband dies, or somehow the marriage just ends. औरतों की ज़िंदगी इतनी खाली हो जाती है और कुछ करने को नहीं रहता है. In fact, we have also seen how so many elderly women who are widows and don't have a companion anymore just goes rude, and we think they are rude. इनको पता नहीं क्या है, but I think they indulge in all the drama just because they crave someone's company. They do all that facade only to be around people because they don't know what to do with their lives anymore. दोपहरी में अम्मा भी अ, बहुत इस तरीके की हरकतें करती हैं जस्ट सो दैट शी हैज़ कंपनी ऑफ एनीवन, एवरीवन. उनको दोपहर को कुछ-कुछ ऐसे होने लगता है कि कोई है इस हवेली में, मैं अकेले नहीं रहना चाहती. हाउ शी ओवरकम्स दैट by being creative. In Erotic Stories for Punjabi Widows, how they overcome this loneliness by writing and listening to erotic stories about reliving their sexuality through stories, which is very different given how widows are seen in our society. How could they indulge in that? How can they do this? How can they do that? So, this is how we judge them. So these are very different, amusing books. दोपहरी मैंने हिंदी में पढ़ी थी, but there is an English translation as well. If any of you wants to go through that, it is quite readable. I mean, you could finish it in a day. It's short, sweet, and very adorable. While the other one, Erotic Stories one, is spicier, dramatic, more characters, plot, thrill, all of that. बट क्योंकि ये इस सीरीज़ का हिस्सा है, तो मैं इन दोनों बुक्स से ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ कैसे फ़र्क पड़ता है देश प्रदेश से, कहाँ हम रह रहे हैं, एनआरआई और लिविंग इन अ स्मॉल टाउन or living in a very conservative society every day, how that impacts how widows conduct themselves, amuse themselves after their life has taken a turn, a point. In India, or I would say overall, widows are sort of सब्जेक्टेड बाय सोसाइटी कि इनको अब बहुत ज़्यादा फ़न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इनको बहुत ही सैड रहना चाहिए. दे शुड ऑलवेज़ बी इन ग्रीफ. दे शुड ड्रेस डाउन. दे शुड नॉट लाफ सो मच. दे बहुत ही घटिया शब्दों में मैंने ये भी सुना है, लोग बोलते हैं कि अपने रंग-ढंग ठीक कर लो. आई एम लाइक, उन लोगों को नहीं पता कि अम्मा भी या दूसरी बुक से धर्मपाल कौर किस वक़्त से गुज़र रहे हैं, कहाँ रह रहे हैं, कितनी कोशिशें कर रहे हैं अपने अकेलेपन से लड़ने की, अपने डर से लड़ने की, अपनी लाइफ़ में पर्पस लाने की, और उनको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. और अगर आपको भी नहीं पता चलता है और आप जानना चाहते हैं कि एक्चुअली में हाउ डज़ इट अफ़ेक्ट द लाइफ़ ऑफ अ वुमन और सो मेनी वुमेन on so many different levels and how they react to it, you have to read these books. and no, why? Hashtag not all women.